Howdy. This is a story about the Donner Party. There's a story I'd like to tell about a journey, a living hell. 300 migrants pushed wagons west. It was Maytime, 1846. But by July they hit the mountains and the group had split and was soon to hit the stung. Hastings had a shortcut, or so he thought. The Donners tried it, it was anything but short. It didn't save time, there were delays. There weren't no Oregon Trail, no river tolls to pay. In November the oxen had enough. Snowstorms pinned them in, the landscape was so tough. And then the food ran out and folk began to die. When rescue came, only half survived. And they'd done so by eating the remains of their dead friends and family.